Hello everyone. In this class we are going to discuss about world distribution and growth of ICT, that is information and communication technology, and knowledge production industries. This is an important topic in our industrial geography for UGC NET examination. Okay, in this class we are going to learn about what is ICT, that means its definition, components and global significance, then global ICT landscape, ICT in developed versus developing nations, knowledge production industries, global research and development expenditure, innovation hubs and clusters, India's position in ICT industries, and key statistics and UGC NET perspective tips. Okay, first of all, what is ICT? Okay, ICT, information and communication technology, refers to all technologies used for handling telecommunications, broadcast media, and intelligent building management systems, audiovisual processing and transmission systems, and network-based control and monitoring functions. Okay, it has 4 components: hardware, software, networks, and services. Hardware comprises computers and servers, mobile devices, networking equipments, and storage devices. Software comprises operating systems, application software, cloud platforms, AI and ML tools, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Networks, internet, www, World Wide Web, and broadband and 5G, satellite systems, fiber optics, and services, e-governance, e-commerce, telemedicine, and digital education. Okay, ICT is a broader term than IT. It emphasizes the rule of unified communications. ITU, that is International Telecommunication Union, is a key global body governing ICT standards. Okay, now global ICT landscape, key statistics. Okay, in 2023, there are 5.4 billion, more than 5.4 billion internet users worldwide. Similarly, in the same year, 8.4 billion mobile subscriptions, 1.35 billion broadband subscription, and 96% population has global mobile coverage. Okay, internet penetration by region according to ITU in 2023. Region penetration percentage and status: Europe 90% highest, Americas 77 high, Arab states 65 moderate, Asia Pacific 61 moderate, and Africa 36 lowest. Okay, this is internet penetration by region. Now the digital divide, developed versus developing nations. Okay, there are some digital divides, that means digital differentiation between developed nations and developing nations. Developed nations, high internet penetration, that is 80 to 99%, advanced 5G and fiber optics infrastructure, high smartphone and PC ownership, strong e-governance and digital services, large ICT and R&D investment. Example, USA, South Korea, Germany, and Japan. Similarly, developing nations, lower internet penetration 20 to 65%, limited broadband infrastructure, low device affordability and digital literacy, weak e-governance frameworks, limited ICT investment. Example, Sub-Saharan Africa and parts of Asia. A key concept is that last mile connectivity is the biggest challenge in bridging the digital divide in rural areas of developing nations. Okay, top ICT industry leaders by country: China, South Korea, USA, Japan, Germany, India, Taiwan, and Netherlands. USA, Silicon Valley, home to Apple, Google, Microsoft, Meta, and Amazon. China, world's largest ICT manufacturer, Huawei, Alibaba, and Tencent. South Korea, Samsung, LG, highest 5G density globally, and India, world's 3rd largest tech startup ecosystem, EIT service export US $254 billion according to 2023, and Germany, industry 4.0 leader, stronger embedded system sector. Okay, these are some top ICT industries leaders by country. Now, knowledge production industries. There is an overview. Knowledge production industries include all sectors that generate, transit, and apply knowledge, primarily education and research and development sector, and these are considered key drivers of economic growth in the 21st century. Okay, education industry comprises global education market worth more than US $7.3 trillion according to 2023 status. EdTech sector growing at 16% CAGR USA and UK, Australia are top global education exporters. India second largest higher education system, 100,000 plus universities. MOOCs, Coursera, edX have revolutionized access. UNESCO leads global education monitoring. SDG 4 key concept human capital formation. Similarly, research and development industry, global research and development industry spending more or less US dollar 2.47 trillion according to 2022 UNESCO survey. Basic research, applied research and development, USA, China, UE, European Unions are top spenders. GERD, gross domestic expenditure or on R&D. Key metrics, R&D as percentage of GDP, Israel 5.4%, highest. South Korea 4.9%, USA 3.5%, India 0.6%. Key institutions, CSIR, DRDO, IRTs. These are basically in India. Global research and development expenditure, GERD, key data, Brazil, India, France, China. These are some statistics, Germany, USA, Japan, Sweden, Korea, and Israel. India GERD is among the lowest of G20 nations, frequently tested in UGC NET exams. Okay, India GERD among the lowest in G20 nations. Remember that. Now, global innovation hubs and technologies clusters. Silicon Valley in USA, they are famous for software, artificial intelligence, venture capital. Their application, Google, Intel, Meta softwares. Bangalore in India, IT services and software exports. Infosys, Wipro, TCS, and Flipkart. Seoul in South Korea, 5G, semiconductors, consumer electronics, Samsung, LG, SK Hynix. Then Shenzhen in China, hardware and electronics manufacturing. Huawei, ZTE, DJI, and Foxconn. Tel Aviv in Israel, cybersecurity and deep tech. Checkpoint was mobility. Cambridge in London, UK, fintech, AI research, biotech. DeepMind, ARM Holdings, ASOS. Okay, these are some global innovation hubs and technology clusters. Okay, India's position in ICT knowledge and production. Okay, overall US dollar 254 billion IT BPM exports according to financial year 2023. 5 million plus IT professionals employed. 3 startup ecosystem globally. 1.3% internet users added daily. ICT achievements, Digital India programs launched 2015, Universal Internet Access Goal. UPI, world largest real-time digital payment system, Unified Payment Interface. BharatNet object, optical fiber connectivity to all Gram Panchayats. India's Tech, GEM, Trinity, Jan Dhan plus Aadhaar plus mobile framework. Telecom, second largest in world with 1.17 billion subscribers. Research and development and education. GERD, more or less 0.6% of the GDP, far below global average of 2.5%. 900 plus universities, 4,000 plus colleges, second largest higher education system in the world. CSIR, Department of Research and Development Organization. ICAR, ICMR, DBT, the are key national research and development bodies in India. NEP, National Education Policy 2020 targets 6% GDP spending on education, currently more or less 4.6%. Okay, there are some key organizations, reports and terms for UGC NET exam perspectives. ITU, that means International Telecommunication Union, governs global ICT standards and policies, possible global ICT development index. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations, they monitors global educations. SDG 4, UNESCO Science Report on Research and Development. Then OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, PISA rankings, GERD data. Frescati, Manual for Research and Development Measurement. WEF, World Economic Forum, Global Competitiveness Report, Technology Readiness Index. WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organizations, Global Innovation Index, GII, Patent Statistics Worldwide. NASSCOM, National Association of Software and Services Corporations. Okay, India's Apex IT industry body and tracks IT BPM sector. Okay, quick revision of the class. ITU, Global ICT Development Index, IDI, measures ICT access, use and skill worldwide. Digital divide means inequality in access to ICT between developed and developing nations, urban and rural areas. GERD, gross domestic expenditure on R&D, key metrics. Israel has highest percentage of GDP, more or less 5.4%. India's R&D as percentage of GDP, more or less 0.6% according to 2022, much lower than global average of more or less 2.5%. Global Innovation Index, GII, by WIPO, Switzerland consistently tops this index. Knowledge economy, economy based on knowledge intensive activities, coined by Peter Drucker. Then Frascati Manual, OECD defines standards for measuring R&D activities globally. Moore's law, number of transitions on a chip doubles approx every 2 years. Top ICT exporters, China, USA, South Korea, Taiwan, Semiconductor Hub and TSMC. India's BharatNet, world largest rural broadband connectivity program. UNESCO's SDG 4, quality education is the fourth sustainable development goal. And Internet of Things, IoT, AI, artificial intelligence, and big data, termed emerging disruptive ICT technologies. Okay, ICT is transformative. It drives economic growth, reduces poverty, and it connects 5.4 billion plus people globally. Digital divide remains a major global challenge. Africa lags at more or less 36% internet penetration versus Europe's 90+%. Knowledge production, education plus research and development is the engine of innovation. GERD and patent output are key metrics. India is an IT powerhouse in services. US dollar 254 billion exports, but needs higher research and development investment, 0.6% of GDP. Top innovation hubs, Silicon Valley, USA, Shenzhen, China, Bangalore, India, and Seoul, Korea. For UGC NET, remember ITU, UNESCO, OECD, WIPO, GII, GERD, IDI, Frascati Manual, and SDG, and its full forms and its terms and conditions and its applications in different perspective. Okay, best of luck for UGC NET exam. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.